Traders War Room wants to thank the viewer for becoming part of the team and join us on this journey. What is up, team? I'm Chuck with Traders War Room, and I got another video for you, jam-packed with a lot of information. Listen, the week finished strong on a good note, okay? It wasn't looking so good early in the week. A lot of us were low, but it rallied hard towards the end, and I am extremely happy. So congratulations to everyone that was able to capitalize on that market rally. Got a good video for you today. We're going to talk about technicals, we're going to talk about charts, we're going to talk about breakouts. So you're not going to want to miss this, all right? I need you to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, invite them over, become one of the community, become one of the team members. So now, if you're ready, follow me and let's go to war. Traders War Room wants to remind the viewer that all content on this channel is for entertainment and education purposes only. Everyone is responsible for their own decisions within the stock market. Thank you. All right, welcome back. Hey, to all the new members, thank you for joining the team. Welcome to the family. This is how I do these videos. I got a notepad, I got a pen. It keeps me on point so I don't ramble on. And without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so video is going to be on the principle of training. The topic, we're going to talk about the 50-day moving average line. Okay, what is that? Well, it's a technical indicator of the past 50 days of closing prices with the stock. And what it does is it averages all together and plots it on a chart and a graph for us, okay? And it gives us a line. So above the 50-day average, or MA, as you'll see it a lot when you do some research, shows signs of strength. Below the 50-day MA, showing signs of weakness. About or bouncing in between, just a little bit above it or below it, is showing some consolidation. And that's what we're talking about when we're looking for a breakout, okay? What we want to see with these stocks and patterns we're looking for is we want to see the stock price at or slightly above that MA line, and that's going to try to clue us into, hey, this stock with this news and a lot of buzz around it might be looking for a breakout. And we're going to review two different stocks that are really hot right now, SNDL and Pinterest, and it'll dive into a little bit more on why we're looking at the 50-day moving average and how we can use it to benefit our portfolios. Real quick side note on this. This particular 50-day MA line, a lot of institutions use this for buying and selling. So what does that mean to us as retail investors? Well, okay, so if we know that big firms are using this line and this indicator to buy or sell, if stocks are below this line, it could be a lot of selling going on with a lot of pressure downward from these bigger firms. Same thing if it's above the 50-day MA line. A lot of institutions are throwing out buy signals and could be pushing the price up, all right? What we want to see is we want to see that breakout, we want to see it move up, and then we want to see when it does its pullback, we want to see where the new base is at. So the previous base will be that line. We want to see it shoot up, and hopefully it comes back above the previous MA line, and that tells us that it's being rejected at that lower level, and we could be looking at a new higher support for the stock, which is a good thing. We want it to be higher because we want to make money off of it, all right? So that is, in short, the 50-day MA. You need to do the research. Look in the description. There's going to be a link for some due diligence that you can do yourself and get familiar with this one. Let's compare two hot stocks right now, SNDL and PINS, also known as Sundial Growers and Pinterest. So let's look at SNDL. On 10 February, it started to go above the red 50-day MA line, and it continued its upward momentum all the way until its peak of $4 and some change. Then you see it sharply decline below the red line and started consolidating to where it's bouncing in between above and below the red line until its current price now. Hindsight being 2020, on the 11th of February at the $4.87, that would have been the ideal time to secure profits and get out. Now looking at Pinterest, you can see that it's been above the red line for a while now, and it is continuing to stay above the red line. Looking at Pinterest closing on Friday, its price is above all three of the MA lines that we have, the 5, the 10, and the 50. This is primed for a breakout because of some previous consolidation still above the lines the past few days. I did a little video comparing Robinhood with another platform, and just based on technicals, what you can do with stocks and the charts on the platforms. Listen, Robinhood, very easy, user-friendly, very easy to use, and I enjoy it for the ease of the use. But when you're getting down to technicals and you're getting down to specifics, Robinhood has you at a disadvantage. So you really need to have another platform that you can use if you're going to use Robinhood as your everyday normal trader. And I'm going to show you in a video next on the differences and kind of open your mind to, wow, that's what a real brokerage app looks like. So Robinhood was created to be very user-friendly. Not much on here, days, weeks. You can go into a little bit of your options, your individual stocks. You can go into some crypto lists, watch lists that you create following different indexes and industries, going into individual stocks. Again, you got a basic line chart that you can click on. When you go to candlestick patterns, you can get a little bit of info, but not too much, just basically open, close, volume, so on and so forth. Some stats, some news links, earnings report, related links, see what other people own, and go into the history of the company. Really pretty rudimentary, and it is extremely basic, but extremely user-friendly. So right away, you notice that a more advanced platform has a lot more things. News, stats. This is Webull, by the way. You can look at different minute charts, daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly. Everything you touch is statistic. You can buy and sell straight from the screen. Go into your indicators, RSI, MACD, volume. Everything has a stat and number associated with it. You're going into order flow, time and sales, distribution, large scale orders. You got news, comments, analysis for price target, trends, support and resistance, press release, financials, so you can dig into the company's fundamentals, balance sheets, see how the company's done year over year or quarters, however you like it. Go into the profile, read up on the company, check other sector stocks, compare and contrast, click on them, see how they're doing. You come back to your chart, you can change the way it looks depending on what you like and what makes sense to you. The big key is with the indicators though. This is where the money's at. MA, EMA, Bollinger Bands, VWAP, Super Trend, all things you need to know if you're serious about trading. Trend lines. Better platform. That's it, guys. So, another video done, another week in the market done, getting ready for next week. Listen, Monday's a holiday, a federal holiday, so the market's gonna be closed. So take this time, enjoy your family, enjoy your time, read up and study the stock market so that you're better today than you were tomorrow and yesterday and previous days, okay? Listen, here at Traders War Room, we look at the stock market like a war zone, stocks and sectors, those are our battles. It's our job to attack, destroy, and conquer these battles. We do it together, we do it as a team. So listen, if you're ready, follow me and let's go to war.